Find something very cute. Look, I got the ginger man, ginger girl.
Nice to meet you.
Good morning. Well, in my time, good afternoon or good evening to some of you. Just come back from a quick shop. Apart from grocery stuff, it's more for a Christmas inspiration because we already have neighbors that have full-on Christmas decorations. I got a Christmas jumper for Emily from Sainsbury's actually. It's quite good quality and just chose a small skirt to go with it. Hairband. Find something very cute. Look, it's the bath soap. Oh, smells so lovely. Oh my god. Do you guys remember last year I got the Liberty Christmas like a mystery makeup box? Not makeup, skin care makeup box. I plan to use that box for Emily this year and try to like insert the little bits and bobs in those boxes, and then she can open one from 1st of December till 25th of December. However, she found the box a couple of days ago. I get a little bit like a mini toys as well to fill up the boxes. Can you believe that now you can actually get quite a lot of Chinese goods in TK Maxx? Those Chinese noodles, and I got some like winter socks, sweater. I really like the color. A bracelet and a pair of earrings. I got the ginger man, ginger girl, one on each side. And I got those like jelly sticker for the window. I think I will use those two just for the bedroom. Hello guys. It is the following day, although I'm wearing the same thing. If I do choose to put the makeup on me, it's absolutely minimum. It's pretty much just to make my face look more even, and today I'm gonna use misting this one. And this time I bought the darker color. I think it's number 3 if I'm not mistaken. My eye bag is getting more and more horrible. Anyway, I quickly use the concealer. Oh, YSL, this concealer. I got 2 colors. They absolutely worth its money. I got color LC5, which is more like a tinted orange or salmon undertone for my under eye to correcting the dark circle. What I really like about this color is not too orangey. Therefore, it can be multifunctional, not only about using under the eyes, but also, you know, correcting a little bit of redness around your nose. It's merged into your skin very well. And another color is LN1, which is just for like highlighting purpose. I really like the tip. I just use the same puff from the foundation, and it's actually merged even better with the concealer. Today I just use a little bit FLORASIS cream blush on top. Any of you like this chestnuts? Me and my little one absolutely love them. It's a slightly different compared to the chestnut we have in China. It is creamier, sweeter, however it is harder to take it out. So just put in a container, fill up with water, and the most important ingredient is the salt. Add substantial amount of salt. And then just let it boil. Once it's fully boiled, turn it to lower heat and just let it cook through for about 40-50 minutes. Nice. There is a little tip of making it easier to peel off, is to quickly soak it in cold water. Oh, that's a steam. Is to quickly soak it into cold water. If you have ice, that's even better, but I don't. Luckily, UK's cold water, it is cold. Today, Emily's school has organized a fireworks for tonight. We planned everything well, but now I have to pick Emily up earlier and bring her to GP. Basically, last night she was playing with Cookie, our cat. We find a scratch on her hand, and it looks like it could be, and it looked like Cookie's scratch, but she doesn't recall that Cookie scratched her, and I didn't hear anything during the evening while she was playing. She's very confused that she can't remember whether Cookie scratched her or not, and maybe she got this random scratch from her playground. And the GP decided still wanted to examine her this afternoon just to be on the safe side. So I got the call literally halfway through my shower. And now, yeah, I'm going to quickly do my hair and have a bite to eat and go and pick Emily up early. Hopefully we can still make it for the fireworks tonight. Oh, by the way, this one is really good. What's the brand? Is Timo? Can you guys see? This is like a heated brush, which is really, really good, especially for my type of hair. And if you don't do anything with it, after blow dry, it looks like this. You see? All over the places. And this one is chargeable, which is very convenient. And it heats up really quickly. Most important thing is safe. You see? When you touch it outside, it doesn't hurt you. So it's safer and easier to use, at least for me, compared to the straighteners or the curlers. So I normally just quickly go over my hair after blow dry. And this one also can lift your roots. You just need to leave for a while, turn it like that, and then going opposite way, then go up. Can you see? We just came back from the doctor and it's all fine. He confirmed that it was a scratch from the cat. So we know, need to be gentle in there.
That is tricky words.
Yeah, I can see, for example,
Tricky words.
this one,
So
you shouldn't know this one.
So we have to practice.
Yeah, indeed. Have you practiced? This word is in your booklet for...
And when?
Oh, you actually knew this. When, yeah? Can you find the word what? Are you sure? Yeah, my kitchen is like a learning center, having all different words stick on it.
Nice to meet you. Mine is a head and nose. And mine is mouth and Mrs. Teapots.
one is slightly stronger than the soap, but it's still not coming off. I just find the Elsa look like a man.
No, she is a girl.
Full of the green beer, isn't it? No?
I'm trying to do a test of her chin. She fell over and has a green stripe on here.
Ah, okay, so it's not beard, right?
Okay, she doesn't like saying hello, but hello to you guys. You guys are perfect for me to talk. Can't get off, so we have to use soap to do it. And Mummy's helping me, look. Say hello to the picture.
Hello. She's the director. She's telling me how to say hi to the picture, to the camera. Yeah, no, this one doesn't come off. I end the vlog here. Very much look forward to seeing you guys on my next vlog, because it's going to be Christmas decorations. Very excited. I see you then.